Hello, this is Professor Stephen Nesheba, and I'm here to help you out with the Excel part of this week's work. And just to orient you, here I am at week 5 and on our Moodle page. And the data that we're going to be working with comes from NOAA, and I'm going to go over to NOAA's site here just to show you where this came from. This is NOAA, and they have station meteorology data for a lot of locations. And one of them is this SPO, which stands for South Pole Station. And if you click on this .txt file, you can see that we're starting off in 1977 on January 1st, and the key column is this one right here, which has the surface temperatures. And of course, there's there's lots of other years here going all the way up to 2016. So and the other thing that I want to just orient you to here is that time period. There's January 1st. It's warm at South Pole because that's in the southern hemisphere, and temperature goes down for the winter. And we're going to be focusing on this winter time data, which is more or less April 1st to August 31st. Now, I've already collected that data from this site here, at least for 2 years, 77 and 2016, and I packed them into some Excel sheets. So all you really need to do is open with Microsoft Excel. If you don't have Excel on your system, then we'll have to do this through VDesk. But so now I just opened it up. And as you can see, here's all those columns that we were just looking at, and there's our key column of surface temperature. Now, what sort of analysis are we going to do about this? Well, one of them is I can look at the maximum temperature, and so I have to say equals, and then this max, and I'm going to click on that. And, well, here it tells us the maximum temperature in the winter at South Pole Station was minus 28.7. We can also see how cold it got. That would be the minimum temperature. And once again, I'm going to just enter that. Oh, look at how cold it got. Pretty cold. And so on. You can also do averages and so forth. But the big piece of it that I need to tell you about goes something like this. What we're going to want to do is what's called a histogram, so we can see the distribution of temperatures over that winter. And to do that, I can see that I'm starting off, the temperatures are as low as minus 74, so I'm going to start off here, and this is what you'll do too, is say a little bit colder than that. And we'll go at, say, 5-degree intervals, so there's that. And it turns out in Excel, if you highlight two guys there with a trend, then it keeps on going. So I'm going to go down to minus 25. Okay, and so now what we'll need to do is set up the histogram, which I think I'll record in a separate video.